Hey guys, this is Mike from M&R Automotive. We have the standard ditch light kit installed on a 2025 Silverado 1500. I want to show you how much light you get out of this product and how beneficial it is adding it to your light bar setup. So these are the factory lows, these are the factory high beams, and this is the ditch light kit. The benefit of the ditch light kit is the fact that you can aim them outwards to give yourself a wider beam pattern when off-roading, or you could face them forward. So it's all personal preference, but it fills the gap really good. For example, if you turn on the light bar, so this is the light bar, and as far as the ditch light kit, you can aim them outwards, so that way you can get a wider beam. So once again, these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams. This is a 40-inch Pro Series light bar, and this is the ditch light kit. You guys are going to absolutely love this product. Thank you guys for watching, and please take a look at our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself.